In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hair to a bald head using Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever wished to experiment with new hairstyles or just want to get creative with your digital editing skills, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you have your base image ready. What I mean by your base image is the photo of the bald head that you'll be working on. Make sure it's clear and crisp, ideally taken in good lighting so that the results look realistic. You can open this image in Photoshop simply by clicking on File, then Open, and selecting your photo from its location on your computer. Once your image is loaded up, the next step is to acquire a suitable hair overlay. These can be found online, or you can even create your own if you're feeling adventurous. Get your hair image ready, ensuring it's in PNG format with a transparent background for ease of use. You can then drag and drop this image onto your main work area in Photoshop, right on top of the bald head photograph. Now, let's focus on adjusting the hair to fit the head perfectly. Selecting the Move tool, click and drag the edges to resize the hair image. You'll want to maintain proportions, so make sure to hold down the Shift key while you adjust the size. Try to position it so that it naturally aligns with how the hair would grow from the scalp. This might take a little bit of patience and a keen eye for detail, so don't rush this step. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, it's time to blend the hair seamlessly into the photo for a natural look. Layer masks are your best friend here. Select your hair layer and apply a layer mask by clicking the masking button at the bottom of the layers panel. Use a soft brush with a low opacity to gently erase the edges of the hair, making it meld smoothly with the existing features of the head. The next phase is about choosing the right location. This may sound a bit abstract, but involves examining the image to ensure that the lighting and texture on the hair match those on the face. This might include adjusting the hair shadow using tools in Photoshop, such as the burn and dodge tools, to enhance realism. Lastly, once everything looks just right, it's time to make it permanent. Hit the Install option, which in Photoshop terms means applying all the changes. Navigate to Layers and flatten the image by selecting the layer, right-clicking, and choosing Flatten Image. This effectively locks in your adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully added hair to a bald head, giving you a whole new look or playful edge to your photo. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.